Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. This is my Boxycharm unboxing, the base box for May. Oh my gosh, it's finally here. If you like what's on my face, it will be in next video, which will be on Sunday. I had to think, I was like, today is Friday, it's gonna be on Sunday. Yes, but I did this, so if you want to watch that, then stay tuned for that next video. If you don't know what Boxycharm is a $25 a month beauty subscription that you get 5 full-size items each month. It has hair care, skin care, and beauty makeup. So if you're interested in that and seeing what I got in my box, then stay tuned. So let's get into the box. So I got a card. I was going to say in my preview I didn't cut a card in this box. I saw a lot of people not get a card because they're trying to ship out the boxes as soon as possible, so they just didn't put a card in. But I could finally say the theme is Mother Nature, and I got variation 26. If you can see us. Mother Nature and variation 26. Also, it lists what's in the box and the retail prices, so I don't have to look it up. Yeah, I'm so excited. With Boxycharm, you get to customize one product in your box, and I customized this is the Glam Glow Berry Glow. This is a hydrating mask. It's just a nice, very mask. Very mask. It retails for $49. And it smells like yogurt, and this is what it looks like. It has like a creamy consistency. It didn't come with a seal, so that kind of worries me. The next thing is the Pale Liquid Lipstick in Pale Liquid Lipstick, Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick in Naked. This uses for $21. I really wanted the Jouer gloss, but I got this, so I knew I'm not getting the Jouer gloss. And as you can see, it's very pale. I probably will use it with a brown liner, but I'm not going to use it. It will be on my mercari. By the way, my mercari is down below. If you want to shop my stash, it will be down below. So yeah, yay. The next thing I got is from Haus Laboratory. This is Lady Gaga's brand. This is their liquid eyeliner in the shade Punk. This retails for $20, and I'm excited because I always wanted to try this when it came out, and I can't wait to try it. I'm not going to open it up because I have the Hank and Henry eyeliner, but I just wanted to show you the packaging. It's really cool. Okay, I wanted the Pretty Filker eyeshadow primer, but I got the Trastique concealer pen in the shade Toffee. This is not my shade. Boxycharm, listen to my profile. Oh, by the way, with Boxycharm, you have a beauty profile, but it has skin, your skin concerns, everything else. Like, it's all in there, and they probably should go buy it, but as you can see, they did not go buy it. This retails for $24. This is what the packaging looks like. This is what the pen looks like. As you can see, I'm just probably going to use this as a eyeshadow base, eyeshadow primer type of situation. And then it has a little blender on the end. I don't know, I might put this on my mercari site. Let me know down below if you would buy this from me, so I can know if I should put it on my mercari site or use it as an eyeshadow base or put it in a future giveaway. Like, let me know. Let me know. Also, I do a poll on my Instagram, so, you know, go check it out again down below. So the last product is Tarte Magic Micellar Water, which retails for $16. Oh my gosh, this is like a skincare heavy box, but I did pick a skincare item, so that's what you get. Anyways, I'm actually excited I got this because this is one of the variations I wanted to get. This, the eyeliner, and what I chose. So 3 out of the 5 products is not bad for me. So overall, this box retails for $132. Am I excited for this box? Yeah, there's some stuff that I wish I got, which is the eye primer from Pretty Vulgar and the lip gloss from Jouer, but I am excited no matter what because I like 3 out of the 5 products. Okay, outside is going crazy. Did you hear that? That motorcycle was crazy. Anyways, that's what I got in my Boxycharm. I hope you guys like this video. Have a great day, have a great night. Whenever you're watching this, my head will pop up there, my videos will pop up there. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.